Arlene Stone. Welcome to my channel. I've been a subliminal maker since 2016. Making positive affirmation is my hobby. I'm a homeschool teacher for English, science, and math. I studied physiology, structure of the human body, and I earned my certification in physiology as massage therapist, performing shiatsu massage and performing Swedish massage. In my video, I combine my knowledge, physiology of the human body, and the law of attraction, form of affirmation. I'm making daily positive affirmation audio recording for life manifesting and law of attraction, and combining it with meditation, nature, sound. All of my audio affirmation are safe. I only use positive affirmations. Disclaimer: any of my subliminal video is not substitute for medical treatment. It is solely made for those people who prefer self-improvement and relaxation. What is subliminal affirmation? A subliminal affirmation in an audio or positive affirmation masked behind water sounds. Those are information our mind receives to manifest our desired result. So, what is the connection of law of attraction and subliminal affirmation? It is connected with the law of attraction in a way of a human consciousness, constant synchronization with the universal higher consciousness. The law of attraction works by bringing opportunities to you when you believe and think what you really want, and when you focus on your goal. It is possible if you put your mind into it and put it to work as a result of manifestation. How to achieve my desired result? By being consistent, listening repeatedly with the audio affirmation at least 30 minutes daily. It will be easier to get your desired result. How do I make my subliminal? These are my main software that I use in making my audio subliminal affirmation. Number 1. Ambient Mixer. Atmosphere Stimulator. It is designed to recreate the sound of nature, to help mask my affirmation and promote relaxation. Number 2. Audacity is the audio editing recording software that I use to record my affirmation while the nature sound is playing in the background. I am the power, the energy, the health, the life. Heal my body, heal my mind, heal my emotion, heal my soul. For the power, the energy, the health, the life, forever. Number 3. Word Docs. Word Docs is a document editor, Microsoft Word, where I write and create my affirmation. Number 4. TalkIt. TalkIt is an application that utilizes text-to-speech with a different voices. This app is optional if you want a different accent and voices.
I am the power, the energy, the health, the life. Heal my body, heal my mind, heal my emotion.
Number 5. Adobe Photoshop is an image editing tool that I use to customize photos and graphics design. Number 6. Movie Maker. Movie Maker is a Windows Essential, a Microsoft software where I put the photos and audio together to make a visual subliminal video as a finished product.